Spencer had an interesting weekend, to say the least.
Did a little tornado chasing in Oklahoma on Saturday and actually caught one this time. Caught a couple, actually. Let me show you the twin tornadoes that I saw near Waynoka, Oklahoma. Right there, about 20 minutes later, I saw another tornado come out of this supercell just north of there near Cherokee, Oklahoma. But it's not unusual to see tornadoes side by side or twins. But it added 3 to my tornado count instead of 2 over my lifetime. Fortunately, this was in a rural area. We did see some downed power lines and a barn that had been pretty heavily damaged, but nobody hurt by these tornadoes. In fact, it was a miracle nobody was hurt when there were nearly 100 tornadoes during the day. However, that night, take a look at this. Now, it's 12:30 at night, right? You're asleep. You're in Woodward, Oklahoma, or maybe the thunder's awakened you and you're saying, where's a tornado? Where's a tornado? I don't see anything outside. You don't see tornadoes at dark until you see a flash of lightning. And there it was, in the flash of lightning. The only way those folks could have known, unless they'd had a weather radio, which had alerted to the tornado warning earlier, because the storm sirens had just been knocked out by lightning there in Woodward, Oklahoma. And they had had a tornado a little bit earlier, too. So, folks, this is why we say over and over again, number one, pay attention and take action when there is a tornado warning. But secondly, when these tornadoes happen at night, you need to have a weather radio to wake you up. Some of those folks in Woodward thought that it was over. They'd had a tornado again there that afternoon. But that night, 12:30 in the morning, another one comes through, an EF3 tornado. We've had a couple tornadoes today in Texas, down in Portland, in San Patricio County, an F1 touchdown. Guess when? 5:23 this morning. Would have probably needed an alert radio to wake you up to that one. And there's a tornado warning right now down in the Los Fresnos area. What's going on? Well, there's a front that's down at the coast. Behind the front, we're seeing a few light rain showers in our area, down here around Bastrop County, and then there's one down here around Oak Hill, moving up toward West Austin. But that'll be about it. If you get a sprinkle, you'll be lucky tonight. Let me take you outside and show you what the sky looks like over Austin right now. We're cloudy. It looks like it could rain, and it could in a few minutes. A few sprinkles, especially in West Austin. Temperature at this hour, 73. By 10 o'clock tonight, down to 68 degrees, so very pleasant temperatures this evening. Out in the hill country, upper 60s, low to mid 70s right now, 75 out in Llano. Mainly low 70s here in the metro area, 72 or 73, and off to the east. You folks have had a wonderful day today, considering you had a little more rain here and there, even than we did back here in Austin, and your temperatures have been super. Mostly cloudy, 73 in the city and at the airport right now, winds 6 to 10 miles per hour. Sunset almost straight up 8 o'clock tonight. Pollen count, mold, medium, pecan, medium, oak and grass at low levels today. Temperatures around Texas, mainly in the 70s, mid-80s down there in the valley. The front down along the coast, this is the front that brought us a little rain yesterday, just a little more today as a weak area of low pressure loft moves on by. That low is going to be completely out of here tomorrow. High pressure is going to begin building in, and we just have some wonderful weather coming our way for the next several days. Our next chance of rain will come with a cold front on Friday. It, too, doesn't look like a real big chance. So our lows tonight, wonderful. Enjoy it again in the morning. In fact, I think we'll see some 40s again in the morning in some of the colder rural areas, especially out in the hill country. But even Austin suburbs could start briefly in the 40s, and then tomorrow afternoon with more sun than we saw today should result in temperatures that go back up to about 80 degrees or so. Tonight, 58. Skies mostly cloudy. A sprinkle here early this evening, then that's over with. Tomorrow, that morning clouds may be still with us, and then the sun will come out, and we'll see a mostly sunny day after that, and a high temperature of about 80 degrees. On Wednesday, let's go 82. On Thursday, keep it about 82 or so. Not too hot this week. On Friday, there's that chance of some rain or some thunderstorms. A 30% probability with a high temperature of around 78. And then, boy, this coming weekend is looking really, really nice.